Hey guys, it's Beth from Cantata Wellness, and it's time for our Technique Tuesday video. And what I want to do today is kind of talk about some ways that we can work on lateral rotation without actually getting into the piriformis. I know piriformis is a buzzword for massage therapy, but it's not the only way to kind of work on that lateral rotation. So, first thing we want to do is kind of check our clients lateral rotation. So I'm going to just shake out her leg a little bit, get her hip joint nice and relaxed. And then I'm going to lay her leg over this way. And you can see that it doesn't cross all the way down to her other leg yet. So that's kind of our goal. So what we're going to do is bring her leg out a little bit, like into frog leg position. And I'm going to get my stool and come up here. And we can work right along that trochanter and kind of see if there are any areas of tension anywhere through here. She's got a bit of one right here. So I'm going to kind of just try to work this out a little bit, and we can do a little bit of mobility if we want to. You're helping. Let me have it. There we go. All right. And then we can start to work down the IT band. Now, we don't want to work directly on the IT band, so I want to be just slightly in front of it, working on vastus lateralis. And so we're going to just kind of do some short stripping as we come up this way. We could use our elbow. Now, again, when I'm using my elbow, I'm not using the pointy part. I'm using the muscle bellies here right next to my elbow. And I'm going sort of short. We don't want to do giant, kind of long stripping strokes all the way up. That's going to be a lot more uncomfortable for our client. So we're just doing short little stripping strokes as we go along this vastus lateralis. You want to make sure that you spend some time on the most proximal attachments up here. And then we're coming back to this trochanter to see if we can get this a little bit looser. And honestly, I'm just bringing my fingers in and doing some circular motion that I kind of end with a pull back towards my body. So circle and then pull back, circle and then pull back. So you can sort of see what's going on there. And then just a little bit more of this short kind of bouncing strips. Okay, and now we're going to check and see how we did. If you want to kind of take this more, you can hold a point here and even bring her leg off the table and kind of drop down and do a little bit more rotation that includes the knee. All right, then we're going to lift. We're going to shake everything out. And again, I'm not grabbing her ankle. I'm grabbing on her calf. Shake everything out. And we're going to relax and drop down. And look at that. She's right on her other leg, which is what we want. We have nice rotation of the hip. And I hope you guys have a great week. Give this a try. Let me know in the comments how it works for you. Please remember to like and subscribe. It really helps our channel. Thanks. Y'all have a great day.